Okay, we're looking at the Stanley stapler. It's a pretty standard one, this one. There's a few tests of it on YouTube. I just wanted to do one of my own because I've got to do a bit of stapling later on. And I've got a few packets of these here, these staples, and these are Stanley TRA705 with a T on the end. 8mm heavy duty staples. They're the ones I'd suggest for general use. Okay, now to load them, I've already got this loaded, but I'll take it back out. What you do is you pull that there up and back, and there's the staples. You see, it's just like an ordinary stapler, office stapler, except instead of putting the staples in that way, you put them in upside down. You see? And then you just slide that in, and then push that, come on, push that down and lock it. Now, where's the on-off switch? There it is. So turn it on, and if you want maximum penetration, this is a bit confusing, the plus and minuses. Maybe not. Anyway, I've found that if you want for maximum penetration, yeah, it's starting to click. It wasn't doing that before. I just turned it maximum plus, which was clockwise. So now I'll try it out on this piece of wood here. Hold it up. They reckon you should press against the back. Oh, look at that. Nice. That's a pretty good penetration. See, it's gone right in. Another one. This time I'm going to try it without pressing on the back and see what happens. Didn't go in as far, but it still went in. So if you wanted to go right in, you should press on the back here. There you go. Let's have a look at those. Right. So it's quite a useful device. This Stanley wasn't very expensive, and of course it's electric, 240 volts. This is a 240 volt version.